कविताजितकल्लोली कन्यका कान्तवक्षसे करुणादिगुणाढ्याय कमलानिधये नमः. Divyadesa Vaibhavam. Let's know about Divyadesams based on the Divyadesha Vaibhava Stuti composed by Ashu Kavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami. Let's know some interesting facts about the Divyadesham, which is popularly known as Appakudattan Koyiladi Tirupper or Tirupper Nagar by the celebrated Alvars. This kshetram receives its name Tirupper because of the connection with Thiru or Mahalakshmi. It is said that Lakshmi Devi performed penance in this kshetram and had darshan of the Lord in the Shayana Tirukolam or the reclining posture. The Lord came with the name Appakudattan and was found lying on the Adisesha in the Bhujanga Shayana posture facing the west. The goddess here is known as Kamalavalli and also Indra Devi. An interesting feature of this Divyadesham is that the Lord is found holding a pot of a sweet dish known as appam. This pot is known as Appakudam and it is found underneath the right hand of the reclining Lord. The sage Upamanyu is also seen in the Garbhagraha in this kshetram. Well, the Sthala Puranam of this kshetram goes that Upamanyu was once a king and he went hunting after a mad elephant. The elephant entered a river and Upamanyu shot many arrows at this elephant trying to kill it. In the process, he accidentally killed a Brahmin who was also bathing in the river at that point of time. Getting to know that he had committed a great sin of Brahmahati, Upamanyu repented and went about on Tirtha Yatra visiting many pilgrimage shrines. He happened to reach this kshetram of Tirupper and was told by an elderly sage that if he were to offer a feast to 100,000 Brahmins, he could get cured of his sin of Brahmahati. Accordingly, Upamanyu arranged for a grand feast, and as he was about to invite his guests to partake the meal, he found an old man reaching that place and asking him for food. Upamanyu gladly gave him food. He went on serving all the dishes that he had prepared one by one, and lo, this old man consumed all the food that was prepared for 100,000 people. And still, he claimed that his hunger wasn't satisfied. Upamanyu was in a fix. He did not know how to satisfy his guest. And the Shastras say that an unsatisfied guest gives you more sin. So he did not want to add on to his bank of sins. So he folded his hands and requested the old man to guide him as to what would satisfy his hunger. The old man replied that he wanted to eat appam, which is a sweet dish prepared from jaggery. The old man also told Upamanyu the means to prepare this sweet dish. Upamanyu devotedly went and prepared a pot full of appams and came and served this to the old man. The old man took a single appam, and as soon as he ate it, he showed his original form to the king. Well, this old man was none other than Lord Narayana. At the request of Upamanyu, the Lord is found to hold the spot of appams even today in the Garbhagraha, and that is why he has the name Appakudattan. Another interesting feature about this kshetram is that it is called as Koiladi, meaning one were to take a few steps ahead, they would reach Koil or Srirangam. This kshetram is one of the Pancharanga kshetrams, the others being Srirangapatnam, known as Adirangam, Madhyarangam, which is Srirangam, Chaturtharangam, which is Tirukudandai, and Pancharangam, which is Tiruvindalur. This kshetram is the second Pancharanga kshetram and is called as Appalarangam. And since this is the closest of the Ranga kshetrams to the main Ranga kshetram of Srirangam, it is called as Koiladi. The main kshetram of Srirangam is referred to as Koil in Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam, and if one were to take a few steps, or adi as they say in Tamil, from Appakudattan, they would reach Srirangam. Hence, Appakudattan or Tiruppernagar receives the name of Koiladi. This kshetram has the Mangalashasanam of 4 Alvars, namely Tirumalizhi Alvar, Nammalvar, Periyalvar and Tirumangayalvar. All together have sung a total of 33 pasurams on this kshetram. Let us now listen to a beautiful verse on this kshetram by Ashukavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami. Lakshmi Nama Pure Phanindra Shayanaha Pashyan Pratichim Disham Sprishta Pupa Ghata Suvarna Sarita Chaindrena Tirthena Cha Devya Chendiraya Tatha Kamalaya Chaindre Vimanottame Drishtashakti Sutopamanyunayanair Nasampade Chakshusham.
Lakshmi Nama Pure Phanindra Shayanaha Pashyan Pratichim Disham Sprishta Pupaghata Suvarna Sarita Chaindrena Tirthena Cha Devya Chendiraya Tata Kamalaya Chaindre Vimanottame Drishta Shakti Sutopamanyunayanai Nasampade Chakshusha.